A tutorial on how to draft the back pattern pieces for a strapless bodice has been requested several times, and I would like to give a shout out to Mr. Dhruv Painuli for leaving not one, not two, but 3 comments, and knowing that he has been waiting patiently for this made me complete this video. And I will be referring to Pattern Making for Fashion Design book by Helen Joseph Armstrong. To draft the back pattern pieces, we need a tracing paper, a back bodice block that perfectly fits you or your client. We need a ruler, a French curve, scissors, pencil, and the front strapless pattern pieces, particularly the side front panel. Trace the perimeter of the back bodice block. Transfer all the markings, including this shoulder dart and the waist dart. Again, the back bodice block that you should use must perfectly fit you or your client. For any strapless design, we need to apply the concept of contouring. I have a detailed explanation on this, and the link is in the description box below. For the side ease, I used the standard measurement of 1/2 inch, and I'll just use a ruler to blend it to the waist. For contour guide number 7, we just draw a horizontal balance line about 1 inch from the shoulder dart and extend the waist dart up to this line. Now take the side front panel and place it on the side ease contour guide of the back, making sure that they meet at the waist, just like so. And then now we can mark the pattern paper. Here I am just taping the side front panel just to serve as a visual guide when we are drawing or when we are shaping the back. So you as the designer will have to decide how low you want the center back to be. Use a French curve to draw the back, and I will be using a different pen here so that you can see that I stopped at the new dart leg. And because the seams will be stitched together, the length of this leg, which is showing as 4.5 inches, must also be the same length for this side seam. Alright? So just to make sure, I am again closing it and checking if the marking I made is spot on to our markings earlier. So this way we will be able to have a smooth connection from the side seam to the center back. And now we can finally shape the center back panel and label this center back. You can actually go even lower than what I have right here. And we have now completed the back pattern pieces for our strapless bodice. So let's just label this back. However, if your design calls for the use of buttons or snaps or hooks, then we need to add an extension at center back. Here, I have used 1-inch extension. So before cutting the pattern, always mark the grain line. We mark the grain line on both the panels, and the grain line is always parallel to the center back. If you find this tutorial helpful, let me know by liking this video. And if you are new to Bobbin and Drew channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And I am also on Instagram. You can also send me a message there. So that's it. This is how you draft the back pattern pieces for the strapless bodice. Take care and enjoy creating.